India is home to millions of people dependent on kerosene lantern for the source of light, and by its use, they are getting in a grip of dangerous diseases like asthma, TB, and many more. REL Consumer Products Limited presents Mithva Solar Light MS322A 1 watt, which lights up the homes multiple times at a fraction cost without affecting their health. A forward-looking initiative towards a brighter world. Mithva Solar Light MS322A is a powerful solar light which works with solar energy. You can get 1 watt light from MS322A. It has single solar panel. It is a gift for a faraway rural area where there is nil or negligible supply of electricity. Because it has 9 LED, which gives multiple times more light. This sturdy and smart device is an outcome of modern-day technology and special material. Mithva Solar Light can be used by children while studying in the night. You can get light by hanging it anywhere in home, and it can be placed as per your convenience. It can also be used in your kitchen. Mithva Solar Light gives multiple times more light than any other kerosene lantern, and it is more durable and economical. Let's have a look on the features of Mithva Solar Light. It has a tough body which can withstand calamities of harsh weather. Its high lithium-ion battery gives you battery backup up to 8 to 9 hours. There is a solar panel for charging from solar energy. You can get 1 watt light from MS322A. It has single solar panel. You also get a 3-meter long wire with it for charging, through which you can place the solar panel outside and light inside. Ultra bright LED for multiple times more light is attached with it. Steel handle for hanging. Smart LED indicator is also there to show charge intensity. This solar light can be charged with electricity as well. And its on-off switch which close in the dark. You can also charge your mobile phone by connecting it through device by USB cable. Let's see how to use Mithva Solar Light. Please note, before using it for the first time, it needs to be fully charged. This solar panel should be placed on the roof or outside in south direction so that it gets solar energy without any interruption. This solar light turn can also be charged with electricity. During charging, all its status LEDs flashes, and when it's fully charged, all the LED glows. This solar light gives you backup in bed mode 100 hours, bright 24 hours, brighter 12 hours, brightest 8 hours. Other salient information. Please note that device solar panel should not get covered under shadow while charging. Clean its solar panel with a clean cloth on a daily basis. Don't use this solar light and mobile charging while charging. Charge it before it fully discharges. Don't forget to charge this light turn once every month if it is not in use. Let's have a look again on the difference between kerosene lantern and Mithva Solar Light. Kerosene lantern is harmful for our body, whereas Mitwa Solar Light gives clean light. Kerosene lantern can be dangerous and it can be a cause of fire incidents, whereas Mitwa Solar Light is completely safe. Kerosene lantern is a source of pollution, whereas Mitwa Solar Light is environment friendly. Government provides kerosene by importing oil, which drains valuable hard currency. And if we start using Mitwa Solar Light, then these expenditures can be used in our basic necessities like clean water, food, medical, and for other social causes. Warranty. Mitwa Solar Light assures 2 years warranty. To register the warranty, customer needs to SMS this serial number to 07838 777727 and needs to make sure that this hologram should never be removed to keep it under warranty. For more information, please call on customer care toll-free number 1-800-1038-222. It's true, Mitwa will make the world bright. Mitwa, new phase, new brightness.